Hey, quick check-in before you scroll. Let's talk about the Reaper 3.0. This is for the kind of person who doesn't need hype to recognize quality. You've already lived through the stutters, the fan noise panic, the moment a render crawled when it shouldn't have. You know what capable feels like, and more importantly, you know when your setup stopped being enough. Before we go any further, take a second to look at the current price and availability. Builds like this don't sit still, and timing matters more than people admit. You remember the exact moment you realized it was time. Maybe it was a game that dipped frames right when things got intense. Maybe your old system hesitated during multitasking, forcing you to wait instead of create. That quiet frustration wasn't random, you had outgrown compromise. Once you move on from weaker gear, something shifts. You stop bracing for slowdowns. You stop closing apps to help your system. You sit down, press power, and trust what's in front of you. That confidence changes how you play, how you work, how long you stay focused. Picture this in real use. Late-night gaming sessions where frames stay locked even when everything explodes on screen. Editing timelines that glide instead of drag. Streaming while gaming without that voice in your head asking if the system can handle it. Even everyday tasks feel lighter, faster, calmer. What stands out isn't just speed, it's smoothness. The system stays composed under pressure. Thermals stay controlled. Everything feels intentional, like it was built to be pushed without protest. Don't wait around hoping prices behave or stock stays predictable. Performance tiers like this don't usually get cheaper, they get harder to find. If you're hesitating, that's normal. You might be thinking it's more power than you need. But that extra headroom becomes freedom. Freedom to say yes to higher settings, bigger projects, longer sessions without second-guessing yourself. Here's the surprise most people don't expect: silence. Even under load, the experience stays refined. You don't feel like you're sitting next to a stressed-out machine. It feels calm, controlled, premium. Owning something built on this level hits differently. You're not just using a PC, you're backing your standards. Every time you consider something weaker, you circle back to this because you already know what it represents. Fast, confident gameplay that never distracts, creative work that finally keeps up with you, thermals that stay composed under pressure, multitasking without anxiety, a system that feels future-ready, not fragile. It isn't the smallest footprint. Premium power asks for premium space at some point. Comparisons stop helping. You choose the machine you already wanted, the one that aligns with who you are now, not who you were a few upgrades ago. Check the price, check the stock, and trust that instinct telling you it's time. Don't turn this into one of those upgrades you delay and regret later.